All right, guys, the Mavic versus the Evo in an old-fashioned street race, but there's no street. So we're racing for pink slip, so the winner gets to take the other one home. I hope I win. Go. Well, guys, it looks like I lost my Mavic. I had it in sport mode. I capped out at 28 miles an hour, and the Evo just literally, I mean, we started off at the same spot. I was a good 20 feet behind the Evo. So, guys, first and foremost, I want to thank Andrew for coming out here, kind of going over the Evo with us. We're at 60 Acre Park here in Redmond, and it's been a beautiful day. Thanks again, Andrew, very much.
Hey, Ron, it was great meeting you, and thanks for coming out and flying.
All right, guys, and to pre-order the Evo, hop on to the link down below.